IDLOZI now, on the other hand, is what? The East. Amahindu. Amahindu. Babizana laba. Amahindu rabobana. Laba ba-meditator laba kakhulu laba. Bathi Uyababona abo hayi laba ngisho abo hayi abo ama-monks ya nakho-ke. They say the word is the universal sound, is the sound that is made by the universe as everything vibrates in life. It's the music of the spheres. Ilo-ke idlozi ke lelo. Is that sound eyenziwa ugesi mawudlula ku-power line uthi uke wezwa i-danger, umamela i-danger box ithi is that sound of that electricity eyenzayo. Idlozi ugesi, idlozi is energy. Idlozi is an intelligent, creative, universal force that has no name, no shape, no character, no feelings. Idlozi is beyond humanity. It is the energy that exists in all things that makes all things alive. You understand? So idlozi nonkulunkulu nomkhulu nogogo wakho are two different things azihlangenanga lezo. Unkulunkulu, yes, uhlangene nabomkhulu nabogogo. Idlozi different. Idlozi, nobody has a patent on it. Nobody has the ownership in Idlozi. Idlozi is something that belongs to us all. That which makes us all alive. It's that ngizocela ke ukuyivala ngaloko ke idlozi alibe nathi sonke asithini give thanks.